Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscript transcription guideline. This will help you in MCQs test as well as audio test. Because these transcription guideline is very important, you need to read all these transcription guidelines 1 to 2 times. This will help you in MCQ test as well as audio test. While audio test is very important, you must apply all these guidelines into the audio test before submitting the test. So let's start first MCQ test. First question is, how should abbreviation looks like? There are two different options, and you simply check in transcription guideline if you have any doubt. Simply using Ctrl plus F command and paste here. So you see abbreviation should not contain dashes or periods, and this form is correct and this form is wrong. So according to the transcription guideline, first option is correct. It should not contain dashes or periods. So this option is correct. Second question is, which sentence is written correctly? There are 4 different options, and I have never forgotten my mother advice. So first option is correct. I have never forgotten my mother advice. Advice spelling is ADVICE. Advice. So this is correct option of second question. Third question is, if there is a name, surname, you cannot make out due to the speaker manner of speech, what are you supposed to do? So you simply check in transcription guideline. So there is clearly written, use unintelligible this tag when speech cannot hear but it can be understood due to speaker manner of speech, accent, etc. So use this tag. So according to the transcription guideline, C option is correct. Fourth question is, which form is not appropriate to use for affirmation in full verb idiom? Not appropriate. So there are 6 different options, and you check simply in Gotranscription guideline, and in this section clean. So here only use these affirmation negative, this, and this, and also these affirmation. So these affirmation are included in full verb idiom, other not. So first is not appropriate, C option is not, and E option is not. So these 3 option is correct according to the transcription guideline. Fourth question answer. Fifth question is dash good friends. There are 3 different options, and first option and second option, both options are correct of fifth question. Sound made not by the person speaking are always. Oh, sound, not make. Simply check in transcription guideline and in sound event section, sound that makes speaker makes. So sound not made by speaker, person speaking are always separate line, present and so on. So sound made on the different line. So here is on the separate line, always on the separate line means on the different line. Option is correct. Seventh question is which sentence is punctuated correctly? There are four different options and in four different options I think the last option is correctly punctuated. In the first place, then comma and then other sentence. So this option is correct according to the transcription guideline and grammar rules. Eighth question is my eyes dash below. My eyes are. R is correct option of eighth question. If there is an etc. in the audio, what should you do? Simply copy this word and check in transcription guideline. So do not remove etc. So according to the transcription guideline, transcribe etc. is a part of audio. So this option is correct. 10th and last question. What is timestamping and what are the types of timestamping? So timestamping is two types. Timestamping format is this format always in bold, and there are two types every 2 minutes and one change of speaker every time when the speaker is changed. So first option is false, second option is also false, third option is correct. Timestamping is a method of acknowledging the exact time in the audio which can done on the change of speaker automatically. So this option is correct. So after all, you need to click on confirm and you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. So this is the video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and also please like this video and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.